So how do you delete the autocorrect on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so that way you're not going to miss anything important. So at first you open up the settings app of the iPhone and go to the general section where you can scroll down a bit more and find the keyboard. So click on keyboard, and if you want to stop the autocorrection from being enabled, just turn off the toggle next to the auto correction, right? That will most definitely stop that from happening. And also auto capitalization, that is, like the first letter of a sentence will be made capital by default or automatically. So if you don't want that either, you can also enable it or disable it however you like it. So that is where you can find it. And if you want to like delete it, make sure it doesn't happen anymore, this is where you can turn it off. Keep in mind, however, that if you generally don't like the way your iPhone keyboard works, you always have the option to explore the App Store, so you can literally look up the App Store and try a different keyboard. So you don't have to stick with the Apple keyboard, but you can download like the Gboard, which is, an app from Google, and it will literally replace your keyboard and use a different software for it, right? So the point is that the autocorrection may be better, or it could allow you to use the keyboard in the more productive method that you perhaps imagine, or some features which you don't have on the iPhone keyboard might be here. So, generally you have the ability to explore more. So let me know what you think below. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.